It's Leo. Welcome back to our channel. Since it's Easter, I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY doll egg basket. Start by grabbing a scratch piece of paper and some twine. Start by gluing the ends into a circle. Then glue it onto the piece of paper. You can keep on twirling it to make the base of the basket. Once it's done, you can cut it and pull it right off. Then start by pushing in the sides so it can become a deeper circle. Glue on the handles to make the tray-like Easter basket. But if you want to make it a little bit rounder, you can use an Easter egg. Then all you do is grab an Easter egg and twirl it around the top. Then pull it off the Easter egg. Finally, add the handles. And then you're done. But we're gonna need some eggs for these baskets. So we make some eggs using construction paper. We grab some of the colors that we like, cut them into circles, and fold or crumble them into ovals. Then you're done with the Easter basket. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another Summer Nalea DIY. Happy Easter!